Subscribe to my channel Motor Mentor and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Motor Mentor. My name is Shakir Sheikh. So guys, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ स्पीडोमीटर्स के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. So हुआ ये कि लगभग a year ago I met with an accident और उस एक्सीडेंट में फॉर्चुनेटली मुझे तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, but the LCD of the speedometer got cracked. So लेफ्ट साइड का जो पार्ट है वो पूरा आउट ऑफ डिस्प्ले हो गया. राइट हैंड साइड का जो LCD पार्ट है वहाँ पे मुझे सब कुछ दिखाई दे रहा था, बट few of the digits were missing from the left hand side. Now I went to the service center and asked them to get this thing repaired, but they say that this doesn't get repaired and you have to get the entire unit replaced. So in 2018, in this world, anything can be repaired. Most of the thing can be repaired. It's just that you know how to do it. Now that didn't make any sense to me, so I started searching for the LCD, because on YouTube I have seen most of the YouTubers have replaced the LCD of the speedometers. So I started searching for that information. I thought that मैं खुद वो वीडियो बना लेता हूँ, but मुझे LCD कहीं पे मिल नहीं रहा था. I posted many pictures on Facebook, Instagram, वहाँ पे सब पे पोस्ट किया और 99% लोगों ने मुझे कहा कि भाई आपको जो है पूरा यूनिट ही रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. बट आई डजंट वांटेड टू डू दैट बिकॉज इट हैज़ माय ओरिजिनल किलोमीटर सेव्ड ऑन इट and which I don't want to lose. So I found this shop in Pune itself, which is around like a few kilometers away from my location. It's more a motorcycle market hub, a small place where you get most of the modifications done there. And I found a shop where they told me that they can get the LCD replaced. So I was literally very happy. And I just wanted to make a video, but I thought that let's make it and share this information with those who think that the LCDs can't be replaced for the speedometers. So yeah, I'm making this video for you guys. I'll show you how you can get the speedometer out of your motorcycle. You can visit to that shop and you can get them replaced. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage from the shop itself, but at least I'll show you how you can take out the speedometer out of your bike and how you can fix it back. So just take it to any repairing shop of the speedometer and they can get the LCD replaced. Unfortunately, I did not get one. Otherwise मैं वो खुद ही कर लेता था. They refused to give it to me because of the limited stock, and they were asking for the full payment. And by the way guys, this replacement cost me around 950 rupees. The original unit you get for somewhere around like 2400 or 2500 rupees. So I did save a good amount of money, as well as I did not lose any data from my speedometer. So let me show you how you can get this remove out of your bike and how you can fix it back, and I'm sure that this video will help you a lot.
Right guys, तो यही वो क्रैक है जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था. अगर आप गौर से देखें, 7000 RPM के बाद का जो रीडिंग है बस उतना ही दिखाई दे रहा है. 0 to 600 का रीडिंग जो है वो मिसिंग है.